Want to become a vehicle technician in the UK and get a job with visa sponsorship? I'll show you the exact courses, fees, current pay and live visa sponsorship job examples. So let's start. The website is findajobs.dwp.gov.uk. In the search section, just write vehicle mechanic and you will search where. So this will show you all the jobs. For example, this job. It says it was posted on 30th October 2025. Salary is £39,000. Full time, 29th of November, the closing date. And the location is Essex and on site. The company name is Skills Provision Limited. This is one example. They're paying £39,000 and they're also giving you the sponsorship. The second example is Master Technician, visa sponsorship available, £39,000 and that's also in the Essex. The third example is from rkycareers.com and if I go down, it's in Bradford and 20 to 30,000 pound per year. Motor trade technician will be experienced within the role. Now, how to become a motor trade technician? Let's learn that. This is the roadmap provided by City and Guilds. This is the complete map which explains that what you need to do step by step. So number one, if you are a learner, then we have level 2 on the left side. You can see level 3, level 4, higher education, employment. Most of the jobs, if you do the level 3 technician, for example, level 2 technician certificate in automotive. We will discuss this later on. Level 3 is Advanced Technical Extended Diploma in the automotive industry. If you do this, then you can apply for these jobs. You can get these jobs. You can also do the apprenticeship with them. You have two options. Number one is full-time learning. Number two is apprenticeship. So you can do the full-time learning and then you can jump into the employment. What jobs you will get? You will get vehicle service and maintenance technician. You can get the jobs as the technician. You can also upgrade yourself afterwards and become a MOT tester who really gets a good pay. Now, how to do that? For example, Loughborough College, if you go on that website, the website is loucoll.ac.uk. I'll put the link of all these websites in the description as well. So key facts, IMI Awards Limited, level 3, full-time 1-year course. If you do this course, you will be able to learn light vehicle diagnosis, braking system, steering system, suspension system, transmission, electrical system, work experiences. So this is one of the example. Second one is the City and Guilds. If you can go on their website, click on qualifications, then go down, you have technicals in the automotive. So if you do this course as well, you can become. Now, what is the difference between level 2 and level 3? The level 2 technical certificate in automotive is a good starting point for learners age 16-year-old or over. Upon completion, learners will be able to make informed decision about whether they would like to go further in this industry or not. Whereas level 3 advanced technical certificate and advanced technical extended diploma in the automotive industry are for learners age 16-year-old and over who really want to become the mechanic, who really wanted to do the technical job in the automotive industry. If you do level 3, you may be able to secure a job as well. Next question is, are vehicle technicians allowed to get the skilled worker visa jobs? Is this job code is allowed? For that, we'll go on gov.uk, we'll go on skilled worker visa section, your job, go down, look for the eligible job codes. Over here, click search, Control F, 5231. That's what the job code is. Vehicle technician, mechanics, electricians. So if you coming as a MOT tester, vehicle technicians, mechanics, electrical, even if you're coming from outside the UK or within the UK, if you're switching from graduate visa, you can switch in medium skill. Yes, medium skills mean you are not allowed to bring dependents because only higher skill allowed, but this way you can secure a job at least. Therefore, I think this is one of the best way to get the qualification and get the job. So if you go on cityandguilds.com, go in the qualification section, go down, look for the last one, which is the transport maintenance. Click on this one, then go down, you will look for you have few options. Number one is automotive, vehicle and repair competitions, you have heavy vehicle and vehicle fitting, you have that one, and then you have light vehicle maintenance, hybrid, electric. So electric cars is also one of the best one. I have created another video on how to get the electric vehicle qualifications. You can also click on the MOT one, and this is the MOT qualification. Remember, MOT qualification is one of the best because there is always a need for the MOT tester, and people pay around 18 to 20 pound per hour to the MOT holders. So you should focus on this one as well. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, put in the comment section and I'll get back to you.